na may isang Pinoy boxer ngayon ang sumisikat at gumagawa ng matinding ingay sa mundo ng boxing. Ito po ay walang iba kundi ang pambato ng General Trias Cavite na si Kenneth Lover.
Still down on the canvas. There's oxygen now being in.
Finish him!
Shot. Left hand. He's down and he's gone. He's out.
Fatality!
捉えました。
深いパンチを打ってくるんですよね。
左顔面を捉えている。どうでしょうか、パンチをもらい右。ダウンです。レフェリーストップ。
He's using his footwork, his in and out, in and out, in the best possible. And he's really throwing his punches. Oh, wow. Yes, that's a
Hindi na tumitigil si Kenneth Lover.
wow! Maraming mga taong
30 seconds.
that's it. Wow!